Hi, my name is Alex. The NWS Storm Prediction Center has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for portions of District of Columbia, Central Maryland, Northern Virginia, Eastner West Virginia, Panhandle coastal waters. Effective this Friday afternoon and evening from 3:10 p.m. until 7:00 p.m. EDT. Primary threats include isolated damaging wind gusts to 60 miles per hour possible. Summary: a couple multi-cell clusters may persist for a few more hours with a threat of locally strong wind gusts producing tree damage.